everyone, it's Amelia at Polk County Public Libraries, and today I'm going to show you this week's Mug Cooking Mondays recipe, which is an easy cheddar biscuit. Okay, so this is going to be a savory snack, and we are going to use flour, some shredded cheese, and I have the Fiesta blend because I have a feeling it's going to be a party. We have baking powder, parsley, butter, and garlic powder, and some milk. So you can see the amounts of that as we're going through this video, and at the beginning you can pause the video and get the ingredients. Okay, so I have started my biscuit already, and I have put 5 tablespoons of flour in my mug, so you can kind of see that. And I'm going to add my baking powder next. So I'm going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder for that. Oops. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm going to put parsley in it. I'm also going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of parsley as well. So I'm going to hold my parsley over. And get my parsley flakes in here. Okay, there's my parsley and my garlic salt. Now my garlic salt I'm going to use also 1/2 teaspoon. And I really like garlic, so this is going to be fun. So I'm going to use my garlic powder in here. It smells super good. Oh my goodness. Okay. And my recipe says that I need to mix all of these ingredients together. So I'm going to get a spoon out of here. It's a really big spoon. And I'm going to mix all of my dry ingredients together. And when I do that, it looks just like flour. But it's got all of my stuff in there, and it smells amazing. Okay, so my next step is I'm going to put my butter in, and I am using, let's see, 1 tablespoon of butter. So you can see my little pat of butter there. I'm going to put that inside. Okay, and once I do that, I'm going to add in, I'm going to gently mix in my cheese. Okay, so the cheese, I'm going to use 3 to 4 tablespoons of that. And I already used my tablespoon to measure out my flour, so I'm going to rinse it off. That way I can just dip right into my cheese bag and pour cheese inside. So I'm going to rinse it off really quick. Get the flour off of there. Dry it off. And put 3 to 4 tablespoons of cheese in my mug. I'll probably put 4. Because again, it's a party blend. It's the Fiesta blend, so we should use 4 tablespoons. There's 1, 2, 3, maybe a little bit more than 3, and 4. All right. Place my cheese back up, and now I am going to stir this back together and put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And as soon as I pull it out, I'm going to take a picture before I taste it so you can see what it looks like.